And now weather with meteorologist Elisa Raffa, certified by Weather8 for the most accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
It was hot out there yesterday. We had highs in the 90s for most of the area. 92 degrees was that high in Springfield. We hit 96 degrees in Mount Home and 93 in West Plains. Our average for this time of year is 89 degrees. Now, to no one's surprise, July has been hot and dry. Look at all of this red on the calendar. Those are days that have been above normal. The month is running almost 3 degrees above average, and we've only gotten about 1/10 of an inch of rain for the entire month, and we only have about a week and a half left of the month. So here are how some of these stats break down. Okay, so for the entire month of July so far, we've only had 1/10 of an inch of rain, which is only 4% of our normal for the month. That's it. We're running about 2.5 inches below average for rain so far this month. We are warm. We're running about 3 degrees above average as far as temperatures go. We've had 16 of our 20 days so far this month in the 90s, 16 90-degree days, and only one night fell below 65 degrees. That is kind of the more silent burden, right? We talk a lot about heat during the day, but when you don't drop below 65 degrees at night, you wind up needing to crank that air more because you're not finding that relief at night. And what we find in Springfield is that we get more of these warm summer nights. The average low temperature is rising since 1970 by almost 4 degrees. That is a 4-degree fever on those average overnight lows. Most of our overnight lows have been in the 70s this month. And again, you really feel that burden when you get the AC bill in the mail. You've got temperatures again in the 70s. It's 74 degrees in Springfield. You have some southerly winds and a couple of clouds. You're partly to mostly cloudy out there this morning, but dry storms skirting us to the north right now. But we are looking at these storms that are back in Kansas. They'll probably weaken some, but cut across the area today. So we're expecting some scattered showers and storms out there this afternoon, with the partly and mostly cloudy skies. Now, with that storm threat like yesterday, we've got a marginal severe risk where 1 or 2 of these storms could grow tall enough to prompt damaging winds and large hail. You're looking at damaging winds to 60 miles per hour and large hail maybe to penny to quarter size. So a low end threat and an isolated threat, but we did find that yesterday. We did have 1 or 2 storms that needed to be warned. So hour by hour, some scattered showers and storms out there today with that high around 90 degrees. Overnight, we're quiet. Warm temperatures again in the 70s, and then by tomorrow additional showers and storms are likely with that high around 90 degrees. You can see both days those storm chances are pretty spotty, but we keep that wetter pattern through about Thursday. Then as we head towards the end of the week, you've got a big area of high pressure that's going to take over, that's going to kill the rain chances and bring back some of that more extreme heat. So expect some daily storm chances through Thursday. Still hot, but not as extreme with that high around 90 degrees. The storm chances are going to dwindle as you head into Friday, and the extreme heat returns this weekend with temperatures headed back into the middle 90s. So we stay above average through the entire 7-day, closest to average today and tomorrow. Then we're back in the middle 90s this weekend with more of that excessive heat returning. 90 degrees today, some scattered showers and storms. 71 degrees overnight, staying very warm and muggy. Another storm threat tomorrow. 90 degrees with some scattered showers and storms. We'll have a storm chance lingering on Thursday with the heat cranking this weekend.